And it's hard to believe it's been 30 years, Celebration. Welcome everyone, and thanks for being here. For today's great adventure, we find ourselves in Celebration, Florida. And this place came from an idea to fruition 30 years later. And I want to show you the place that we like to go visit here. And I'm asking you to come do a little exploring of Celebration with us. And I don't know if this is a cross between a pyramid and an obelisk, but it's pretty funky looking. Right here in Celebration, Florida, Celebration Place. And right in front of the obelisk slash pyramid, got these really cool looking buildings that remind me kind of like a movie set. I don't know if these office buildings or whatnot. They're pretty neat looking buildings. And Celebration became a town in 1994. It's about 25 minutes south of Orlando and pretty much due east of Disney World Magic Kingdom. I live fairly close to here, so we come here sometimes. There's some really nice things, and we're gonna show you like the town center and a couple other places. I hope you enjoy this. And we are in the town center. Check out this funky looking building here. I tell you, the architecture here is really cool. And if you're ever in the mood for some good, authentic Spanish food, this is Colombia, the gem of Spanish restaurants. They actually have one also, I believe it's the original one, is in Ybor City. Since 1905. And one thing we really like to do here at the town center is Christmas time. They bring in some snow, some Florida snow. I'm gonna show you what the street it's on. And it's really cool because the kids love it. It's basically foam, and it goes off like every hour. But it's a very big tourist attraction, especially for the local tourists actually. They come and they check it out. Everyone brings their families and have a good time during Christmas. And right on the corner of Market and Front Street, this is the street they will block off on both ends. And this is where they let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Another thing we like about Celebration, they have a lot of local mom and pop shops here. So that's really different from the, the chain restaurants. They still have chain restaurants here, but kind of like hitting those local ones to support the local small businesses. And here in the town center, they also have a directory here to help you out, show you where you're going, some of the specialty shops and dining and entertainment. And look at this Bank of America building. I don't think they let you climb up there, but if they did, you'd know I'd be up there. And Celebration, like every small town, has their little quaint post office. And on the corner of Market and Celebration, it's a famous clock here. It says Celebration, Florida, established 1994. So the question for you is, what famous big YouTuber lives around here frequents this clock a lot? Put in the comments below. And as expected, no one is going up these stairs. And I will say this, Celebration's very well landscaped and it's pretty. It's got some really pretty spots. I'll show you some of the canopy of trees as well. And check out the canopy of trees on the residential street here. In here, they'll display a really humongous Christmas tree, obviously during Christmas time, and the snow would come out of those light fixtures right there on each side of the road. And unfortunately, we're here so early filming, there's not many businesses that are open, just a few bakeries and coffee shops. And one thing I'm a sucker for is a good diner. It's downtown Celebration Diner. And the cool thing is, it's actually open. It says 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. But we have something else in mind for food. And here's a shot at Lake Reinhard, right in the center of Celebration. And if you're not a local and you're inclined to do so, they do have a hotel here in Celebration Hotel. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it may be a little pricey though. And they have about a dozen rocking chairs set up here along this lake, and I could sit here all day. Check out these views. Serenity and peace. And if you're a resident of Celebration, they have the Celebration Lakeside Park, which includes basketball courts, pools, and a whole bunch of other amenities, which is really nice. And if you're into your fitness, you can take a half-mile walk or run around Reinhard Lake. Some spectacular views while you're doing it too. And about 2 blocks west of the town center, they have a memorial park here. Let's take a quick look at it. And we are approaching on in, and right in the center of it is a flagpole with Old Glory flying up there. It's pretty high too. Look at that. And they have all the branches of service here, with the exception of the Space Force represented. And I gotta say, driving around and walking around Celebration, they have a ton of green space, a lot of recreational stuff, plenty of things to walk and stretch and exercise, which is a really good thing. And we've arrived at Jeter Bend Drive on the corner of Jeter Bend and Celebration. And here on Jeter Bend Road, you will find the famous Christmas and Halloween lights that they put up during those occasions. I don't know if they still do it or not. It's been about 2 years since we've been. I will put a link to the video on the screen and also hopefully a few pictures here, but it is beautiful and highly recommended. This quaint little road right here, they really go all out. We've arrived at our final filming destination in Celebration Point. And keeping up with the theme of these really awesome architecture, take a look at this Publix. It's like a retro future look here. I like it though. Publix, where shopping is a pleasure. And to reiterate how close Celebration is in the shadow of Magic Kingdom, take a look at the center of your screen and pin over to the right. Disney's that way. And to paraphrase rapper Ice Cube and fellow Raider Nation member, 11 in the morning, I'm gonna get the Fat Burger. Come on with me. And here are the store hours. Let's head on in. And here is the founder of Fat Burger, Lovey Yancey. Okay, here's what I'm working with. I got the double Fat Burger because 2's better than 1. And full disclosure, I have been here before and eaten here, so let's give it a whirl. If you're into diets, it's the wrong place to be. But it's so tasty, so delicious. This place always gets a Rody Seal of approval from me. Another good thing about Fat Burger, you can order skinny fries or regular fat fries. I usually get the skinny fries. Also, I got Arnold Palmer here. 75% sweet tea, 25% lemonade, not 50-50. And that's gonna wrap up our tour of Celebration, Florida. Thanks for joining me for lunch as well. Please like and subscribe. Take care, until next time. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider becoming a channel member. If you already are one, thanks for the support. Let's grow this together.